Yo, what's happening, Molly Punch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Botswana. If there's something that I want people to know about me, this is one thing that I want people to know about me is that for as much as I've stayed outside of Africa for a long time now, I love Africa. I love Africa. I love Southern Africa so much. It's like unhealthy. And I think that's the one thing that if I want people to know something about me, that will be something that I want people to know about me. I love Africa, and the things that I say about Africa, they're supposed to be like building and uplifting. And obviously, I'm not just going to be celebrating whatever kind of a thing that is going on. This is why I am super critical of African leaders and other African people. So if you want to see all of me like going unleash on political spaces, go check out Sounds Like Fun YouTube channel. Anyway, speaking of loving Africa, I am going to be reacting to a show in Zambia called The Icon Zambia. It's supposed to be like America's Got Talent, Britain's Got Talent kind of a vibe, I'm assuming. So, and these are like Kasama auditions. This Kasama is another place out there in Zambia, I'm assuming, I'm not sure. So let's get to it. Let's see what's up with this show, man. Wait, what is the disclaimer? Disclaimer says the first 4 episodes of Icon Zambia season 2 were filmed prior to the emergence of allegations and commencement of investigation involving Mr. David Kazadi. Oh, Mr. Kazadi has since voluntarily stepped down from the role as a judge to allow for the new show to proceed without distraction. Okay, what is... I feel like I should have gotten into more details. Icon Zambia remains committed to transforming lives and bringing communities together through the power of... Yo, what happened to Mr. Kazadi? Now I'm curious. I don't even know who's that? Mr. David Kazadi. Kazadi. And this YouTube channel is called Kazadi by the Kazadi Media. What? Kazadi, let's see. What did he do? Allegations? Wow, this is what happened. I gotta know before I get to this. I'm just going to be reacting to one audition, and hopefully I'll get to that. Police have transferred film producer David Kazadi to Lusaka for formal arrest. Kazadi appeared in chambers at the Livingstone High Court yesterday, escorted by plainclothes Lusaka police officers who were armed with AK-47. His lawyer from the Legal Aid Board indicated that Kazadi will be formally arrested in Lusaka last week. Livingstone Central Police was served with a notice to present Kazadi in person after judge granted a writ of habeas corpus. This is like Latin, by the way, so you already know that this is, yeah, Kazadi was arrested in Livingstone last week by Wildfamia Production. He was initially arrested in July, later charged with offenses related to harassment and distribution of obscene material under the Cybercrime Act. Okay, it's not like a big thing, but it's also a big thing because it's what? Cyber crimes. So what did he do? Let me know in the comment section. It sounds like it's something that he can get out of because he looks rich, young man. So what is going on out there? Anyway, let's get to the show.
A Kazadi Films original.
Oh man, this guy created a really beautiful show with everything. Animation. Is this show on just on YouTube or is it on TV out there? Let me know if you are in Zambia.
Welcome to Icon Zambia Season 2, and we're kicking off the season from Kasama. We traveled 854 kilometers from Lusaka to the northern province, the heartland of the Bemba ethnic group, home of Paramount Chief Chitimokolo, where you will find the amazing, ever-flowing Chishimba Falls. We're not sure what to expect in Kasama.
Whoa, you guys have Victoria Falls and Chishimba Falls? What? Can you give us one fall?
But one thing I know for sure is there is talent, but we're not only here for the talent, we're here to see if we can change one person's life with the amazing prizes that are up for grabs this season of Icon Zambia.
This is beautiful, by the way. Wait, am I allowed to react to this? Wow. Yo, the production of this, man, is big. It's a big guy.
On this journey, we've traveled with last season's winner, Carlos, who will explain to us how much of his life has changed from the time that he won Icon Zambia Season 1.
Watch, I'm going for best. Okay,
so I'm assuming Carlos is now like an established artist, so recommend his YouTube channel down below so I can see what Icon have produced.
Yes, sauce. Nah, pia money over. So ni shingo.
5 quad.
5 quad. Na imo. Naomba nao pata change.
Change yao.
Naomba itaranta kwa kwa tedidine.
Mimi nalipata kuna talent hapo, mama support.
Support ya lishupa. Naomba nao kwa nao kwa muri Icon Zambia mukasa. Turi asoto numwe bibine mwe bantu basomo go telefone so torafaka turi yabonze.
Hello everybody, so it's your boy Carlos Mule, umwana Kitwe, umwana Zambia, umwana Africa, umwana wa bantu bonse, and we're here in Kasama.
Mwana Kitwe, she's from Kitwe. And
Itarante yakufisa. Kuponena pofe, you never know. Ine ya that 5 minutes ago, washisa na yango, 5 minutes later, ulimuri Benz. So taishiri, take your chances, take your risks.
On the panel of judges, episode 1 in Kasama, we have Cleo Ice Queen, top Zambian
Ice Queen, legends. If you don't know, like, come
female rapper. We've got Ballad Zulu, legendary musician, and of course David Kazadi, a filmmaker. This season on the Icon Zambia, the winner walks away with 250,000 kwacha cash, a car, a fully paid trip to Paris, a house, a full year's medical insurance for the winner and 4 members of their family, a recording contract, and a scholarship.
Whoa. What? Big up to Kazadi, man. Like, let me see something. It's like I cannot just get introduced to Kazadi by a Zambian filmmaker has said he would never have achieved his goal had he not left London for Staffordshire University at Kasadi. It's like really sad that to see the headlines of Kasadi on BBC saying university saved filmmaker from a life of crime to now getting arrested in Zambia. Like, come on, man. Come on. I wonder, like, I'm curious what is happening there, but anyway, let's get there. It's so beautiful to see all the things that you get to have. Like, you become a real celebrity after you win this show. It's a big, big show. So, wow. Okay.
Atuwasanda na nishina leo wenu wabana?
Neu King Fire.
Nani?
King Fire.
King Fire?
Also, I just want to say, like, big up to other Africans, because I see that maybe he grew up in the UK, or he is from the UK and Zambian, and now he goes back to Zambia to uplift the young people's life, or people's life in Zambia, which is like commendable. So big up to Kazadi. I know maybe he's going through like some legal stuff right now, but I hope that he overcomes that and continue doing the good work that he is doing. You know what I mean? Like, I would like to know exactly what he does. Is something that like, I don't know.
Never Laxon.
Laxon nani?
Siwira.
Simui?
Siwira.
Laxon Siwira. Walisho kulanda nchina mwanga?
Awe.
Wine miaka inga?
Miaka. Nina 18.
18?
You're not 18. Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay. Do you understand English or just Bemba?
Bemba.
Bemba.
Okay. So we should mukuyimba or mkurapa?
Mkurapa.
Okay, tampak. Mi rap yobe wala rapa? Tampak.
Ati inebo King Fire wapa Zambia. Bonsefeni inebo feva fire. Okona pichida chida lumba. Wamona kwa tinde ponyo tulumba. Ala chishinka chide vepa. Opona fika na pena pepa. Patadi ukwangu kateti. Opana fika levunga kadeti. Fire inke kale kona buino. No sachi tulaikala no. Ala
fifina
batefenava. Mwimbona fifine fonava. Na chepa fia kunsa mukatinji mukulu. Na survive kwa tiyava kulu. Hala na ina winenda fire. Ukwikala konge fine mwava. Pano tepo nava na ina ikala fia kwa kuchalo chimbi. Mumano ndeto volu tambi. Lesa evele wipange sambi.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. No, oh my God. Oh no. Do I have a tissue for you? Papa, don't do that.
Yo, that was deep.
Make me cry.
Why rapa wino sana wandisha no kundisha wangu? We kwato blanda. Shawa mafisana. Wapangide wekewe ni rap. Thank you sir. Nine. Tasha sana. Awe tatulapwa. Kuline DS wamfa. Ekabalanda bena bali apa nabo. Abambi wamfa. Elo mani obe to anash.
Na tushtaka le mani obe.
Wow, big up to this guy, man. It already shows that he has a heart. Because how can you not be moved by this guy? Like, he was selling eggs outside and he's talking real stuff that is going on in his life. Okay. And I'm sure it's like it's more impactful if you understand the language, because like translated, some things are lost in translation. Oh, did I just come up with something? Anyway, yeah, I thought the rap was flowing. It was good. I hope that they gave him a yes. We want to see him go to sound like a judge now. We want to see you on the next round.
Now kwata talent sana. Now kwata something special within you, which I feel Zambia needs to see. Getting London afingi. Kare chiwemba chandita chiri bwino sana, but it's a yes from me.
Okay, I need you to interpret for me, so because I need him to understand.
Please interpret for
me. Yeah, David Kasari is British.
Okay.
He sounds
Strangely
British.
enough, I couldn't understand what he was saying, but I could feel every emotion. I don't know if that's very strange for a rapper.
It's not strange. I also felt
okay, anyway. Amashi wachila landa, mchibemba tabachila umfwa, nomba bachila umfwa, efe womwine wachila yi, ofu wachila ilumba no kuidishanya, fionse efe wachila umfwa, efe wachila kulanda, nabo umfwa.
So I want to understand what is his story, because I could feel the emotion. I couldn't understand what he was saying. When you started crying, I'm like, okay, cool. Clearly what I was feeling was also there. But I want to know what's the story? Why am I feeling so much connection to him?
So la atibare icho le tuikatila na mashi uyobe ni chinshi. Wafuma kuinwe nani? Ni kuisa watula.
Niko nafuma.
Wafyarure muno mwine la ilo ndolole.
Nafyarure muno mwine ine omukasama.
Edo ikara na banani.
Nchikala na bamani.
This guy is 18. Also, I'm just shocked that he looks like he could be 12.
Nga ba usoba ba kwisi.
Apo baba.
Oh. Walipo eskulu.
Awe.
Chinshi chalengele.
Na kuskuru nisha yako.
Chinshi.
Kuskuru na pelele mu grade 3.
Chinshi chalengele upelele mu grade 3.
Umuro pa wale kama na lero wala sikosewa nemi.
He said that, you heard that. He stopped in grade 3 because he had sickle cell anemia. So ngapa nomba chibashani.
That's why that explains his size and everything. Oh,
Pa.
Kama fyari dek.
Fyari dek apa nista nda umenisha kwa no kubomba fia fini.
Oh. Says right now he's going through a good patch. He doesn't feel the negative effects of sickle cell anemia, but he stopped in grade 3.
How much is one egg? How much?
5 kwacha vista pile.
5 kwacha for egg?
5 kwacha,
Okay.
5 kwacha.
So here's what we're gonna do from the queen and the judges' table. We're gonna buy your eggs. So this is yours. Thank you. We're gonna give you the egg tray back. Okay? So you can give it to whoever you need to give it to. Can I give you a hug?
What the change?
No, this is free.
Change. Vakupela yafu makuli fwewe nini vakuine avana ifofe valikono vakupela olupiyolo eutwashitamani ukashitiena futaini
Atoteraresa wekeshe.
chisuma mkwayo but mumiimbile yobe wishibe ine mvotere yes yo votere
I
sana
know we didn't vote
And I
yes.
voted yes as well.
yes
Yes,
so apa
yes.
tachipwile vala bakulondoloele next round ukeserapa na futi wamfa so chisu
is
thank you
yours.
sana ine twatasha
yours.
sana
This-
chinsenga mwena
God bless you. Okay? All right, see you in a second. All right, let's give him a hand, guys.
wow. Yo, big up to David Kasadi, man. Now that I've read the story, I feel bad, you know, like, yeah. Is this like the sponsor, Adam?
Imagine a place where dreams come true, where love stories unfold, and where memories are created. Welcome
We're
to
going to watch
Princess
this
Events,
ad.
your premier destination for weddings, corporate
For
parties,
Kazari,
kitchen
man.
parties, and special occasions. With elegant decor, exquisite landscapes, and exceptional service, our venue is designed to make your special day truly unforgettable. Call us on 0978 120 578.
Say goodbye to internet frustrations and hello to seamless connectivity with Thor International, Zambia's authorized Starlink reseller. Whether you need
Ooh,
reliable
Starlink.
internet for your business
Okay,
or remote
now I get to
operations,
learn a lot of
Thor
things.
International delivers with Starlink's cutting-edge technology. But that's not all. As one of the most trusted ICT and office product suppliers in sub-Saharan Africa, we offer top-quality hardware and software solutions along with expert installation, training and support services. All backed up by our commitment to quick delivery and unbeatable prices. Find us at Builders Depot Complex, shop number 32, Leopards Hill Road, New Kasama, Lusaka. Or reach out to us at +260 972 990 009 or info@thorinl.com. You can also visit www.thorinl.com for more information. Thor International, your gateway to a connected world.
Wow, that's beautiful place. Tourists in Zambia is crazy.
sky is never gray with you.
So, like, this is an ad, guys.
Girl, forgive my banter.
Manta.
You don't seem like the type to hang around with fools, but I am no prankster. Trying to show you I go in hard. Don't want the streets, want the night. Yes.
Wow, that's so beautiful.
I took a sip of your potion. Now I got locked in your motion. Let's make the most of this moment. We own it, it's on it. You fill my life with joy and bright color. The sky is never gray with you.
We're back.
Madam, nem bom chamar a tua empiradeira.
Aras.
Isso é um pepe, parece um pepe. Uma dantina.
Ah,
chama na
Argentina. Não, mas eu vi o bueno. Nem vou colocar Aras está na SIC.
Arista?
Aras está na SIC.
A SIC. Bem bom, show.
Big.
Beg. Era uma linha mais jazeera. Ama prize as I'm winner is nam yesh pete. Por 250 pin. Mas tens muito 250 pin. Kulinganda. Kulimotoka. Kuno ke Paris. Nem fiachara, fingi Philip. Você já não ouve na tua estação.
Banganda means house. My house. Whoa, did I
First,
just
the
learn?
money I will invest.
Invest in what?
Maybe a business.
What kind of business?
Maybe selling what? Selling clothes.
Selling clothes?
Yes.
And then this tattoo, what's written there?
Muka.
Mukoka?
Yes.
With an H class?
Yes. That's how I spell my name.
Mukoka. Okay, so era star now we pick a list practice. You've been through your song, you're ready to sing in front of the judges.
Yes.
Mukoka, wish you all the best, eh?
Thank you.
Good luck.
Hello and welcome to the Icon Zambia.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm fine. How are you?
If you can stand right on the X, okay, you're right on the spot. Tell me your name and how old you are.
I'm Muka.
Mukuka. Okay, what are you doing for singing, rapping?
Singing.
That's that name.
All right, are you ready to make us proud and make Kasama proud?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
We were only lovers before the love got me. Now you be soldier. Children not send me. Now I'm alone. No way you not send me. You just a boss. You just a papa me. You just a go. You know they answer me. Kill.
One thing that I also don't like about auditions is I get the second-hand embarrassment. Like, I don't see myself ever doing that.
See the way that beg you should buy me a Jenny. And you not say you're fine too. All the girls come they find you. All the guys come they find me. Me I no fit attend to. Me I no fit compare you. Ooh, I wish I said this before, but you're messing with my mind. Sing me songs, make some love, put your hands under my thighs. And that's how you be hot cake, 100 jars I spend material. That means if I be hot cake, 100 jars I feel material.
Okay, thank you, Mukuka Janet. Thank you so much, baby girl.
She was going in. The thing about the Afrobeat songs, you cannot. It's a bad choice to do audition already. Like like Afrobeat music is supported by the instruments. That's what makes the song, the full song, the song. So I doubt that they're going to let her in.
I want to do the last part again.
You want to hear the last part again?
Yeah.
We are not doing that. David, you're quiet.
Mukuka Janet, Kasama has great talent. And unfortunately, you're not one of them. Yes.
I can do another song, please.
I would rather not, because my ears have never been as tortured as they have been today. And I listen to a lot of bad singers every other day. That was That was so bad. That was so bad. So far, we've had a really good streak in Kasama, where we have people who are literally blowing the roof off the place. Amazing, talented people. So I assumed that we left this type of performance in Lusaka or Kitwe. You brought it right back. That was torturous. I think you have no business singing.
I can do another song, please.
The problem is your singing is torturing us.
Okay, can you reduce my voice, please?
You're going to reduce your voice and not torture us?
Yes.
You have 10 seconds.
Yeah, that's a
Nigerian English, pidgin.
That was
pidgin.
I really, honestly,
he did.
Please let me
what
try
language
another
were you
song.
singing in?
should sing like a Chile One song or something.
It was pidgin English.
It was?
Pidgin English, yes.
Okay, fair enough. Oh, it doesn't sound like a nice speak something.
If I told you my weakness.
No, forget it. It's a no for me. Mr. Zulu.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry, Janet Mukuka, it's a no from me.
Okay.
Janet, is there anyone in your family that tells you can sing?
Yes,
Who?
my sisters.
Your sisters do not like you.
They don't.
No, they don't.
No. Thank you, Janet. Your sisters like you, okay?
I like her.
They love you, they just don't like you.
She's being gracious. Okay.
Saka mane kwati twikala pamo. Inena koshenti to twikala kamo. Kuwa bwela. One more time.
Oh. We get the funny part. Okay, yeah. Hey, rap.
Inesa kamane kwati twikala pamo. Inena sakoshenti to twikala kamo. Kuwa bwela ngole fwa fya kula kano. Jimu yandi yanje bele fya kumakano. Niwe wine nkabwela fya kubakamo. Man.
Yeah, I can't get his flaws. Maybe he's nervous, Ice Queen, the queen is right there. So what else are you gonna do,
Can I do it one more time?
It's not part of the rap.
Rap.
If you watch...
Let him go. Go again, one more time.
But installation is...
It's okay, one more time, go.
Yeah,
Thank you.
give him a time.
Saka mane kwati twikala pamo.
He does have like that real Zambian rap voice though. Like, come on.
Inena sakoshenti to twikala kamo.
Pull through.
Kuwa bwela ngole fwa fya kula kano. Jimu yandi yanje bele fya kumakano. Nine wine na... Oh, man.
He should like, okay. I don't know much about stuff, but I know from what I have learned when I used to like, do drama. Like if you mess it up, you just gotta, play it off. You know what I mean? Like if you do this, then you lose your whole audience. I think that's the problem there. Anyway, let's see what they say.
This thing.
What's happening?
I don't know.
All right, we're ready to deliberate. David, do you want to go first?
Samuel, I think you have talent, whether it's your nerves or your excitement or whatever is in between has gotten the best.
I think over-excitement.
Overexcitement.
Maybe, yeah. It happens. It happens to the best of us. And because of that, it made your audition substandard. And because of that, it's not that you don't have talent. I can hear the talent in you.
It is, come on.
But again, there's so many people who came who have talent and they did execute really well. So because of that, it has to be a no for me.
Yeah.
This is a competition.
Did he say Cleo?
Sam, it's a competition and you have to get it together. The talent is there, I can hear it, but based on this audition alone, I would have to give you a no as well.
He didn't nail the audition, but he does have,
all right, so next time come prepared. The Icon season 3 will come back. Be prepared, don't have nerves. You had nerves, okay? It's like a gymnastics competition. That's what Kasama
I like to see this guy audition
where
again.
Everyone's a 9. One little mistake, which is what happened to you.
Yeah.
Will make you become an 8, because everybody else was a 9, okay? 9 or some of them were even 10s. So thanks a lot. Just come prepared next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna stop it there and we'll continue reacting to this next time. Okay, thank you so much for watching this, man. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And I just want to say one more thing before I leave. It's just like to every person watching this out there, you can see that there is a lot of potential in Africa. So like big up to David Kazadi for investing this in Zambia. You know, I feel like maybe he has like family ties from Zambia. I don't know, but whatever he's doing there, man, it's really great stuff. And I do hope that, you know, the legal things just pass so it doesn't cloud the whole thing, because this is so good. Like, and you can tell from the prices that he gives people, like essential things in the livelihoods of people, especially celebrities. If you're gonna win this, maybe you're gonna like be known, and you gotta have some sort of, you know, security, roof over your head, and car, you know, that's lifestyle. So big up to David Kazadi. Obviously, and you know, without this stuff, he's my favorite person. I don't know. All right, thank you so much for watching this. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I'll see you guys on the other side, and join us next time when we react to more of these auditions from Kasama.